Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Again, we're here at a house, reference the same old problem. A louver vent cover causing a clog into the dryer vent. And if you can see that, I'm not sure. Make sure that you can see that. And that's why I don't like using louver vent covers. So we got to clean this system out, because if we don't know how far the backup is in the dryer vent. So we need to get it cleaned out. We are going to put, again, a no pest vent cover on here, but fairly new house, not that old of a house, and already having issues. Of course, National Fire Protection Agency and International Mechanical Code says that you should have your dryer vent cleaned once a year, and it does say by a professional. So I am Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, a certified dryer exhaust technician located in Plainfield. And another thing I noticed in this house is the transition was way too long. So we're gonna shorten up the transition here in a minute, but we're gonna finish the cleaning, get the vent cover put up. It's extremely cold today. We're in the back of the dryer, so we're gonna just let that clear its way out a little bit. I'm actually gonna step up. Hopefully that don't hurt you guys from what you can see. It does look like there's a remnant of, like a bird was gonna try to start making its spring nest. So, but it also could just be dirt, because of the type of vent cover, that louver vent cover having the grit in it that catches the lint. That's what keeps the birds out. So get that elbow cleaned out. So, again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent?